Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how to do your homework today. When you go to your online classroom, go to Teacher Messages and then open Tuesday, September 29th. Then scroll down. So there's no Zoom class today, and you should watch this video to see how to do your homework. So you have 3 homework here. You open the first one. It's Then you have to open this file here. Okay, so here you will see some vocabulary and some pictures. You have to copy each vocabulary under the correct picture. So for example, borrow, the first one here, you should copy under the correct picture, which is this picture here. Okay. Now you open number 2. Here you need to listen and then you complete these blanks here. So number 1 is open your binder. Open your binder. 3 words. So you finish number 1 to number 10 and then you check your answers. When you're finished, go back and open number 3. Number 3 are more classroom instructions. So first, you look at each picture, you read the phrases and you listen. Then you repeat. Be quiet. Listen. So you study all the vocabulary here and then you click on match up one. You can maximize the window here if you like. So if you click here, you can maximize your window. So match up one. Okay, you have to drag and drop. So write your name. When you finish, check your answers and go back. Now match up number 2. Okay, close your book. So you have to drag and drop. Close your book here. Check your answers. Go back. Match up number 3. Open your book. So you have to drag this to open your book. Say this one. Check your answers. Go back. Match up number 3. Oh, we did this, sorry. Now fill in. So, for example, what was this? This was, for example, close your book. And then you check your answers, you go back, and finally dictation. So you listen, take out your notebook. You listen and you type, and then you check your answers. And then go back. And you're finished. So remember, you have to do all of these: match up 1, match up 2, match up 3, fill in, and dictation. When you're finished, click this here, go back, finish with your homework. Oh, first of all, let me tell you, you only have before 9 p.m. tonight. So finish your homework before 9 p.m. tonight. And when you finish your homework, you log out of your classroom. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day.